Y'all know who this is, man. I'm in my big rig. I'm a Clement truck driver. This is my instructor, Mr. Dog. A good friend of mine, that's Jesse. I'm finna try and drive this rig, man.
Look at that. It's his first time in the truck today. Look at that. This is called straight line backing. That's our teacher, Doyle Clement. It's something you want to say? You got a lot of people watching right now.
Hey, look, man. These people at Clement or whatever, they're the real deal, man. They're not gonna let you leave it without getting you CDL. It's my first time ever driving a stick shift, first time ever in the big rig. Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know that. And I can't say nothing else, man. That's some great people, man. I'm in Lebanon, Missouri, man. If y'all need any information on how to get out here, let me know and I can get you hooked up, man.
Here's the number right there. And here's Doyle.
All right, man.
Here's the teacher.
Congratulations.